Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay. Welcome to my pre-market predictions for Nifty using Elliott wave theory and one stock. So before we get into this analysis, this is my disclaimer. Read carefully. So let's move on to SGX Nifty, later onwards Nifty, and with one stock. So this morning I uploaded that yesterday's predictions because of my workload. I urgently shared my view, and now what we discussed this morning is either it has to get rejected in this zone and little bit consolidation, and then it has to break out this trend line, bearish trend line. Otherwise the next option is it has to break and then retest this trend line, may or may not. So now we already closed above this in the trend line. So now it looks like a correction for me, whether it is going to do retest now itself or without the retesting it can shoot like that also. So in that formation it looks like here it could be a 1 2 3 4 5, it's already dead. So here it's 1 2, so we are 3, and somewhat the 4 and 5 is already completed. It seems like, one second, I will delete this one, the previous what we discussed this morning. So now it's already broke out. Now I'm expecting this three-way structure to retest at that broken trend line. Now, so this is a channel trend line, equidistant channel trend line. So now I'm expecting this kind of pattern. So this becomes W, this becomes A. So or this could be A, or this could be the B, and later on the C of five-way structures can also happen. So in that case, I'm expecting the next zone is 18,150. And what I already informed this morning is the nearest zone is 18,500. So 450 to 500, it may get rejected. After that, the three-way structures I'm expecting. So it is we have to wait for this to valid. And now this is the invalidation point here. So this count is still valid. I'm expecting only for that bullish price action, whether the fourth way is already got ended or it is in the formation of a triangle, or it could be the irregular flat formation. It can break above the high and then it could fall for that fourth way to complete in the irregular flat formation. That we have to wait and watch. So far it's looking like a three-way structures. Then the later onward it can convert it into the diagonal formation of the fifth way of this Roman letter fifth of this third wave. So this third wave, right? One second. Yeah, 1 2. So 1 2 3 4 5. After the 5 is completed, this bigger third wave is going to complete there, nearly the 19,300 to 500. That is my target for the shorter term. So now let's move on to the Nifty. So it is also the same plan. There is no change. It's looking like the V reversal, what I call it as. So bounce back the same where it fell down. So now it could be a little bit three-way structure and it can bounce. Otherwise from itself, here itself, it can bounce. Later onwards it can retest at this zone, the broken zone. So this two way, see, I'm expecting the pullback. That means not in sell. We need to buy back. If you are trading the Nifty futures, you need to buy back here, not for the sell. I won't advise for the sell, because this is from here also we are expecting, and from here I'm expected, and from here it's expecting the bounce, and it is already doing that same thing what we attempted, the 3 attempts of this Nifty. So what is going to be that next one stock we are going to discuss is JK Tyre. Later or previous we did the JK paper. Now it's a JK Tyre. So first of all we need to look for the wave count, and the pattern what I am looking here is in that weekly chart. This is the A or W, this is the B or X. So whether this is the W or X, and we need to look for this impulsive wave. So in that irregular flat formation, either like such a kind, or it could be a fresh wave also from here to here. So anyway, this could be the three-way structure is got completed, or from here to here it's a three-way structure is completed, and here it looks like a five-way structure. So the five-way structure it also looks here in the daily. I will draw that. So I expected the triangle or the regular flat, and it did a irregular flat formation here. It's already broken the high, and now here it's a. So A, B, C is a B wave. So this is a B, and this is the C wave. So the fourth wave is already got completed, and the fifth wave. And you know I'm already buying here and here. I didn't buy here almost. I bought it here. It's 120. Yeah, 9 I bought. Not this low. Once this low has broken on that day itself, this low is already broken, and I took this as a five-way structure. So later on I was too happy because this is also it's looking like a five-way structure. So I thought this could be the continuation for that impulsive wave. But what happened here? So this what that in equity market it did. So now we have to keep this as a irregular flat formation, and then one impulsive way to the downside. So this is the impulsive, and this is the correction, and one impulsive. So once this was completed, I labeled this as a fourth wave. So now we are in that fifth wave, and the third wave is also exactly that 2618. Perfectly, we are in that. So now the third wave is also got completed, and fourth wave in the irregular flat formation. So the fifth wave to break that 170 and above. So there is a still 30% movement is ahead in that JK Tyre, and once that five-way structure is going to complete, and then this will be a three-way structures to the downside can happen. So this is my longer term investment, not this is a shorter term investment. You need to identify the trend. So we are trading the final wave. Once it break this previous high, so that has to consider as a five-way structure, and we need to watch this five-way structure whether it is doing or not. Either way, if it breaks the high of 172, we need to book the profit. That is the only thing, because now it is trading at 130 or sorry 140, means it's a nearly 32 rupees is there still. So I'm looking for that to book. So this is my analysis. So hope you enjoyed, and we will see you the same time tomorrow for the pre-market predictions. Have a nice wonderful day to all. Bye.